and Cam. Welcome back to our channel.
Okay, so please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification
bell.
Yeah.
Today, right? So again, I can tell you something. Something that happens to me today will confuse me. Make me not understand. Make me afraid to walk on the street because I don't know what to do. I don't know how to feel when I walk on the street. So today, I'm going down the road to buy books for my kids and them. So me a walk, and me see this man just a stay me down. So me continue to walk. Next time when we reach close to the man, me do the man so. Half X while. So me see man a walk towards me now, so me start to walk fast, me see man a walk behind me. Miss, some say, what? The man a ring up like a girl, a ring up. And I'm holding hand, like the young girls just do. Okay, get a number, please.
I'm blushing.
Let me find out who be wear this thing. Okay, get a number, please. Somebody said, just because I smile, you want me number? And then I first time it happened to me now. One time me in a van, guy in a walk. Somebody just there watch this man, look at him man. He man look like a man we see before. Me and she spell we vocation. I can't remember, a couple of years back in the mountain. So, a man resemble a man we see in the mountains, and I watch him man. So, I want to hail him man, like, yeah. So, when the man turn around now and start to watch me, I realize now man did it. So, me do so.
Is that a smile?
Me do that. Because them saying that good for stay people, so I be want
look upward.
yeah, so me smile. When I come out the van, the man down in my neck. You look sexy. You look good. What can you home there? Just because I smile. And the thing when I have vexed me, you know. The thing when I vex me. When me get in a road, this how people tell me, I want you. How your face looks so? Put a smile on your face. Who vexed you? Your face too serious? So it's like, me I choose to smile now, but now, we can't smile, we can't be serious, we don't understand. Come on, I think we should do. She said we should cry. Like walk and cry. Me don't understand.
Maybe they might sorry for you now. And smile.
And here, the weird thing that I only see will happen to me now.
Today.
Me say me guys start to do all mad today. I'm not gonna eat the food. So when they come home, I work for eat. Get on the road, buy food to eat. So let's pick up eat the food. Lean over so we pick up the water for drink. But just come in on my head, in on my lap, mess up my lap, shit in on my head. Tutu, poop, doo-doo, stinky, in on my head, at home. My sister for the day so I wipe out my head at home.
Poor you. And because you think this luck, you want to buy chili?
Yeah, we were going to buy chili because I said we bought to buy it and look. So we were going to buy chili so we get chili if you buy the bag. Right, look today. But the very first time I bought to in my head. One time my niece gave me half a bread. And the guy go eat the bread and the boy just come and toot in my head and to do by the bread. So me wrong go buy chili. That time there. Me wrong go buy chili.
And lose.
Me wrong go buy chili. I lose. But I don't even say boom down the
Oh, my foot.
like, I know that happened to me today. Let me do deserve that. Yes. So that's how my day went. Which was weird. I find both weird.
So that was it. Please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that whenever we have another video, you will be the first to see it. Please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.